I had myself known. The enemy could try to kill, rob, and destroy, but one thing he cannot take is my joy. I